All right, today ended up far from a big severe weather day, which is very good news. I did only get to see one storm report. This is in Talbot County, just a downed tree at Route 50 by Bay Acres. Other than that, pretty much in the clear of any storm reports. Most of them stayed west of the bay. So good news on that end. Right now, the severe weather is confined to our south and west towards the Richmond area. So right now, we're just dealing with a few showers with a mostly cloudy sky across the peninsula. We got some light to moderate rain pushing through Worcester County into northern Accomack County. And then we got a few downpours pushing into the upper shore and northern Delaware. I don't expect any of these to become severe, but we could still see a few heavier downpours and thunderstorms through the evening tonight. But other than that, I don't expect too many issues in terms of any weather, especially in terms of severe weather. Warm front is offshore right now, introducing a really humid air mass, and we're waiting for this trough for the surface area of convergence to push to our south, giving a little bit of trigger for these showers across the region. Once this pushes to our south, we'll be setting the stage for a dry day tomorrow, but this entire feature is lifting to the north and east, so this cold front is not going to be able to push through, so we are going to keep with the hot and humid air mass at the very least for the next few days. It's a really cloudy and wet scene at Ocean City with our sky cam out there, wet pavement out there, or boardwalk, I should say. Temperatures have cooled down into the 80s. Weather watchers are calling in. It's 86 degrees with Bob and Diane and Smyrna reporting 1.12 inches of rain. We got 82 degrees with Connie and Greenwood reporting 55 hundredths of an inch of rain, 11 hundredths of an inch of rain with Joe and Bishopville 83 degrees, and it's 82 with Curtis, Mary, and Ocean Pines. But it is so humid out there. Dew points around 80 degrees, so it's definitely a very muggy day out there for sure. So we'll deal with a few scattered downpours and an occasional thunderstorm through the early overnight before drying out after midnight, I think. And then tomorrow will be a very sunny day, just very hot. Temperatures well into the 90s and feels like temperatures at around 100 degrees. Pay attention to where the temperatures are going. Mid-90s by the time we get to Wednesday. 95 degrees is the forecast. And then look at this, dropping to 80 degrees on Friday with a drop in humidity by next weekend. So definitely going to be a much different feel out there. But we are going to have to contend with a cold front pushing through by the time we get to Thursday. This is going to introduce the chance for widespread scattered showers and thunderstorms. And I think a few lingering showers will be possible on Friday, generally with a mostly cloudy sky before Canadian high pressure built in with cooler and drier air bringing with it some cooler temperatures, more comfortable nights, and lower humidity values. So definitely a big change of pace to what we are going to be experiencing for the first half of this week. Temperatures will be dropping between 74 and 79 degrees, so it's going to be a very muggy night out there with a chance for showers and storms, I'd say before midnight, and then conditions dry out later in the overnight. Marine forecast for tomorrow, winds generally at around north, northeast, northwest direction. Not going to be much to cool us down, but still going to be out of the north at around 5 to 10 knots out there. For the forecast for tomorrow, 89 to 94 degrees with a mostly sunny sky, so it's going to be a very hot and humid day out there, and very hot for Tuesday into Wednesday. Temperatures rising into those mid-90s. Feels like temperatures over 100 degrees because of the high humidity. A chance for showers and storms on Thursday with that cold front. Behind that front, we're dropping to 80 degrees on Friday, and then it's low 80s for this upcoming weekend with low humidity values.